the word gemstone has come from the word ratna. Okay. The meaning ratna means jewel, treasure. It's a precious gemstone. It's like a magnet. You must have heard of the word Putra Ratna or even Bharat Ratna. You know, the jewel of India, Hindustan. Now, the first thing I wanted to believe was whether gemstones work or not. So I cannot agree to this thing by just looking at a book and then reading a book. I went to the Sagar Manthan. Sagar Manthan were done, and there were 14 jewels, 14 ratnas that have come out of the Sagar Manthan. And those ratnas were Ma Lakshmi also, Ma Saraswati also, but no gemstones. What about gemstones? Out of this, there was a mani, a beautiful, shining gemstone. The name of the gemstone was Kaustubha. That was the first gemstone of the universe. The first gemstone. Kaustubh. A lot of Sanskrit scriptures say Kaustubha, Kaustumbha, Kaustubh. And it was worn by Vishnuji. Oh, he has it. He has it. He has it. A lot of people are saying it as a divine ruby ratnam, but it doesn't look like ruby. In fact, it looked like an alexandrite, the green and the reddish. The modern alexandrite gemstone is the Kaustubha. Look at the deity of Vishnu ji and look at the color of the stone that he is wearing in the neck. And this gemstone acts as a symbol of divine authority. Shiva declared that only Vishnu would be able to handle the wearing of this jewel, as it could make any other wearer a very greedy, and a very greedy person to possess it forever. But Vishnuji is such a powerful person that he may just give it up if he doesn't need it, if he doesn't want it. So what do you understand from this? You understand that no gemstone is permanent. Oh, that's the new finding. So there is nothing called a gemstone that you can wear for the lifetime. The gemstones will be temporary. You can wear it for a dasha for some time, take it off, and then you might require some other gemstone. And this is how this money looked like, the greenish, the reddish, and giving so many colors. Kaustubh, the first gemstone ever. You see your Vishnu photographs? You see Vishnu photographs? You'll find it. You'll find it. This is when in every Vishnu Savrupa, you'll find this. And the most important thing is even Krishna was wearing it. If you see the Savrupas of Krishna, he was wearing it. So what do you think? What do you learn from all these experiences? Do really gemstones work? If Vishnu is wearing it, Krishna is wearing it, Ganesha is wearing it, they have to work. They will work. The answer is simple. Yes, 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 they work. But they don't work the way you want them to work. They will make you divine. They will make you happy. They will make you strong. And by the time the gemstone is about to make you happy, you take a change. You take off the gemstone and you wear something else. How gemstones work. Any mineral with striking appearance and color is a gemstone. Simple. It emits radiations, positive energies that can calm your mind and soothe your soul. When a crystal receives these cosmic energies through color-coded frequencies, they seep into your body and cure the issues that are plaguing in your life. See, one thing is very clear here, is that the gemstones are not working on your destiny. Gemstones are working on you. Please think like that. Oh, I am wearing this gemstone and the rain is going to stop. No, it's not going to stop. Because it is not you who is controlling the rain. You can only control what you have it in your hand. What is the focus of the gemstone? It is on the hardness, the crystal shape, specific gravity, and optical properties of the gemstone. So there is a MOH scale that is used for measurement of the hardness. How hard is the gemstone? And the hardest, strongest is the diamond. And it reaches the perfect 10. And there is a specific gravity for every gemstone. And you get all these things on a lab report. And nowadays, people are not only believing in the gemstones, but a lot of crystal healing as well. A lot of crystal healings. And I must tell you that all the crystal healings that people are doing, they work. I have seen the results.